Hi, this is Tom Scott CPA again. Today we are talking about the Taxpayer Bill of Rights Part 2. Welcome back. Before we begin, I want to draw your attention to two buttons on my blog. Click here for a free tax relief consultation, or click here to view my free tax resource library. Back to our topic of the day, the Taxpayer Bill of Rights Part 2. The last time we talked about the first 5 rights under the Taxpayer Bill of Rights. Today I will talk about the other 5. You have the right to finality. Taxpayers have the right to know the maximum amount of time they have to challenge the IRS's position, as well as the maximum amount of time the IRS has to audit a particular tax year. Taxpayers have the right to know when the IRS has finished an audit. You have the right to privacy. Taxpayers have the right to expect that any IRS inquiry, examination, or enforcement action will comply with the law and be no more than intrusive than necessary, and it will respect all due process rights, including search and seizure protections and a collection due process hearing where applicable. You have the right to confidentiality. Taxpayers have the right to expect that any information they provide to the IRS will not be disclosed unless authorized by the taxpayer or by law. Taxpayers have the right to expect the IRS to investigate and take appropriate action against its employees, return preparers, and others who wrongfully use or disclose taxpayer return information. You have a right to retain representation. Taxpayers have the right to retain an authorized representative of their choice to represent them in their dealings with the IRS. Taxpayers have the right to be told that if they cannot afford to hire a representative, they may be eligible for assistance from a low-income taxpayer clinic. You have the right to a fair and just tax system. Taxpayers have the right to expect the tax system to consider facts and circumstances that might affect their underlying liabilities, ability to pay, or ability to provide information timely. Taxpayers have the right to receive assistance from the Taxpayer Advocate Service if they're experiencing financial difficulty or if the IRS has not resolved their tax issues properly and timely through its normal channels. If you have tax problems, you should protect yourself by hiring a qualified tax problem specialist. We have experience in strategies negotiating with the IRS to get you the lowest amount that you have to pay. My contact information is below. If you have a tax problem or know someone with a tax problem, please share this video or contact me. Until next time, I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again.